Respected teachers, parents, and all my dear friends, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Independence Day celebration of our school. In this national celebration day, we should all feel proud of being a part of India. India is an independent nation that gives us the freedom to follow all our rights, including the right to education and the right to speech. For almost 200 years, we were under the rule of the British government. They treated us like slaves, tortured us, and destroyed our money and resources. But after all the struggles, with the help of our freedom fighters, Indians fought for their rights and freedom. Almost 73 years ago, on the 15th August 1947, India finally got independence from British rule for the first time. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru hoisted India's flag on the Red Fort. Since then, India celebrates Independence Day across the nation. India was once full of resources. We had full of minerals, and India was known for its leading spice market in the world. These reasons attracted the British government to capture India and use all the resources for their purposes, as at the beginning manipulating Indians was an easy task. With the implementation of different policies, the country came under the rule of British people. They started torturing us and forced us to become slaves to them. With the help of divide and rule policy, they included conflicts among Indians. Few renowned freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, and Jawaharlal Nehru emerged as leaders to engage and inspire everybody so that they can fight for their rights, making all the sacrifices. After that, every Indian participated actively in the freedom movements to aim for an independent nation. Independence gave us many benefits, including all the rights to freedom, speech, education, and many more. Without our freedom fighters, gaining independence against the British rule was quite impossible for us. So, it is now our responsibility to value independence by doing pure deeds like cleaning, keeping our environment clean, helping the people in need, and maintaining all the rules and regulations of our constitution. Lastly, I would like to say the young generation is our future for the country. With youth's talent and efforts towards the country, India can succeed more in the future. We need to understand the importance of patriotism and the importance of Independence Day in our country. Together in unity, we can strengthen our nation for a beautiful future. Thank you.